During May, the number one coloring book sold was Cozy Friends by Coco Wyo. It has over 40 hand-drawn pages for coloring. The book size is a convenient size of 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. The pages are single-sided to prevent bleed-through. That way you don't ruin the image on the backside if there was one, which is one of the things that I've learned to look for in a coloring book now. If there's a design on the back side of a page, I might not tend to buy that book. It just depends on if it's something I really like or not. But I really love it when they leave that back side of the page blank. The second best-selling book is Stress Relief, and this was one of the first coloring books that I bought from Coco Wyo for myself. I thought they were a little childish at first when I started coloring in them, but I realized very fast that it was a stress reliever and it wasn't as easy as it looked. This book has over 52 hand-drawn pages for coloring. Its size is also 8.5 by 8.5 inches with single-sided pages. That way there's no bleed through on the image on the next page. Number 3 is Little Corner, and I also have this book myself. It has over 40 hand-drawn pages. Same size of 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. Single-sided pages, so there's no bleed through. Next up is Girl Moments, and it's pretty much the same as the previous ones with Coco Wyo. It has 40 pages. The sizing is 8.5 inches. Single-sided pages to prevent that bleed through, and they have some of the cutest designs in this book. This is another bestseller with Coco Wyo. Now, I've not purchased this one myself. I was kind of debating on it since it was just patterns, because I really don't use a lot of patterns in my coloring pages yet, because I'm still considering myself fairly new to coloring, and I just haven't gotten into those fancy designs like you would put on fabric in the picture or maybe wallpaper. Spooky Cutie is another book that I've thought about adding to my collection, but I haven't yet. I do like some of the pages in it. It's got 40 hand-drawn pages. It's back to the 8.5 by 8.5 inches size, which I really like the size of these books. They're perfect for even traveling with. Single-sided pages so that there's no bleed through. This self-love coloring book is a standard 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. It's got 40 coloring pages. Good to fill up your leisure time with a sense of calm, and it provides relaxing activity not only for adults but of all ages. And for those supplies and coloring books that you just can't live without today, all of the links are in the description, ready and handy for you to click on them.